Hey everybody, got a box of 2008 2009 skybox basketball that I've already pulled the seal off, and I'm about to open up, and hopefully there's some great stuff in here. I got a few things from my collection back here, a mixture of 90s and a couple of 2000s. Right there, you see that's the Giannis Panini rookie, Kawhi Leonard Panini Brilliance rookie, Allen Iverson, Molten Metal, but that's his rookie year, 96, 97, Flair Metal. And then that's Damon Stoudemire, Larger Than Life, 96, 97. All right, with that brief introduction, let's get to cracking here. All right, let's see here. I think it's 6 cards per pack, and 24 packs per box, man. So I've had some of these before, but I had like the blaster box, and I got really nothing in there. I got like some whack dual jersey thing, but it's something that you just don't want. But other than that, let's roll. Let's go ahead and see what's going on here. All right. Need a little bit of sticking, but you know what? That's a good sign. My first card is LeBron James. I will take it. Put that aside. I'll slip that on a sleeve later. Matt Barnes. Rudy Fernandez rookie. I'll separate like rookies and base cards and inserts. Marcus Aldridge, Darren Williams, and a close-ups of Monte Ellis. Right, so it's like a subset, but I'll put that over there with inserts. So one down. Okay. I don't even know who this dude is. I've seen it. I don't even know he's in the league. He something or another. I don't know who this guy is, but it's a rookie. I think it's a rookie, is it? No, it's not. Base card. Looks like a rookie card. Luis Scola. Kyle Lowry. Mono. Jose Calderon. And a Dirk close-ups. Off to the side. A little bit of sticking. These things are like 12, 13 years old, so to be expected. There's a Mellow base, Josh Boone, Monte Ellis base, Peja, Sean Williams, Earl Watson. All right. Elton Brand, Kirk Heinrich, Metal Universe, Carlos Boozer. I guess with these cards, they implemented some of the inserts that were prominent with late '90s Skybox, and this is like the 2008, 2009 Metal Universe version. So I guess this is decent. I'll keep this because this is a pretty, it's a pretty cool card. I'll keep that. Jeff Green, Sean Stevenson, Andre Miller. All right. Katino Mobley, Hakeem Morg, Pau Gasol, Kevin Garnett close-ups, Beno Udrih, and Chris Paul. Okay. All right, we got Marvin Williams, Kenyon Martin, Al Thornton, Steve Nash close-ups, Barbosa, and Ron Artest, now known as Meta World Peace. All right, fellas, here's Ben Gordon, Ramon Sessions, Kyle Weaver. I have no clue who that is. Heard the name, but it's a rookie. Damian Wilkins, Isaiah Thomas close-ups, and Julian Wright. Remember when he played at Kansas, he was supposed to be something special, but not all college standouts turn out to be something. Okay, we got a Adam Morrison, really? Al Harrington. Forgot about that dude. The Metal Universe, Eddie Curry. Can't say I'm too thrilled to get that, but I'll keep it. Boris Diaw, close-up of Chris Bosh. Greg Oden. He should have been good, Greg Oden. But, those injuries, man, I swear. But, it is what it is. Stuff like that happens. Rajon Rondo, Luol Deng, Vince Carter, Thaddeus Young, Dwight, close-ups of Gilbert Arenas. Right now, only thing I really got to write home about is a LeBron base, and I'm what's this, 13, 12 pack, 15, 9 packs in, so still got a chance for some good stuff though. All right. J.R. Smith, Keon Dooling, Joe Johnson, Jamario Moon, Grant Hill, and close-ups of Magic Johnson. Oh man, knocked down my Damon Stoudemire there. All right. Jordan Farmar, Ben Wallace, Andrew Bynum stayed hurt. He stayed in the hospital. Shaq, Jameer Nelson, and a close-ups of Shaq. Would have preferred him in either the Lakers or Orlando Magic uniform, but I'll take the one with the Suns. All right. Anderson Virgil, Chauncey Billups, Mike Connolly, Keith Bogans, Samuel Dallenberg, and close-ups of Jordan. There's a little bit of wear on the chrome, whatever, the gold finish at the bottom, but, I'll take it. All right, that's half of the box there, fellas. Let's keep going. Good grief. There's some sticking though. Alright, we got Kevin Garnett, Josh Howard, rookie of Brandon Rush. He should have been better too, but I guess he played in the league for a little bit. Darren Williams close-ups, Chris Wilcox, and Maurice Evans. Chris Wilcox was supposed to be something too coming out of Maryland. But Luther Head, Richard Hamilton, Danny Granger, close-ups of the big O, Oscar Robinson, Anton Jameson, Francisco Garcia. I remember him from Louisville. And his brief career, I think he started off in Sacramento. Pretty sure of that. All right, Steven Jackson, Hal Jefferson, Andres Nocioni. I did not like that dude for some reason. Tony Parker, D. Wade close-ups, and junkyard dog Reggie Evans. Come on now. Gotta give me some more. I got what? Man, come on now. It's only 9 packs left. Come on. Happy to get a box, but come on now. Gotta give me something. All right. Allen Iverson with the Pistons. Wow. Oh, I got a ruby. But it's of Kyle Weaver. But it's a ruby though. I think it's numbered numbered to 50. I'll take it. This isn't the original skybox rubies. But these are still hard to come across, so I gotta put that up there. That's something good. Oh, and I got a LeBron close-ups. Oh, and here's a Nick Young and Brandon Roy. But, yeah, I'll take it. It's not the greatest thing, but, that's a ruby, man. I'll take it. Would have preferred somebody else, but I guess it's still nice to get one. All right, Raymond Felton, Desmond Mason, remember him from Oklahoma State, Mike Miller, Caron Butler, Larry Johnson close-ups, and Stephon Marbury. I understand doing it of greats, but I don't know if Larry Johnson considered a great to be putting him in vintage players in this set. He shouldn't be in there with people like Jordan. I'm sorry, but that's what it is. All right. We got 6 packs left after this, guys. Gerald Wallace, Daniel Booby Gibson, Randy Foy, Mehmet Okur, Dr. J close-ups, and Brent Barry. Yeah, the other things, I'll sleeve up the Ruby and, some of the LeBron and, the Jordan that I got. I'll sleeve that up after the video. So don't worry. All right. Michael Redd, Troy Murphy, DJ Augustine, rookie, Brandon Roy close-ups, Quentin Richardson, and Edo Turkoglu. Would be nice to get that Westbrook rookie out of here. Would be nice. AC Law, Richard Jefferson, Jason Richardson, David West, Michael Finley, and Gilbert Arenas. If I had bought this pack back in the day, I probably would not have been too happy to get that. To spend probably $4 or $5 on a pack, and that's all I got. All right, I got an insert here. Only got 4 cards in this pack. Josh Boone, Monte Ellis, standouts, Jersey Carter, Josh Howard. Not gonna get too excited about anything about like that, and that's a David West, because Jersey cards now aren't, even in the mid probably about 2005 and up, didn't mean the same as what they did back when they first came out. They're way too plentiful now, and even from that point, from 2005 to what it used to be like in 97, 98, 99, and even 2000, it was way harder to get them. So you probably might have gotten one in a case. I mean, it's crazy. 3 packs left. All right. T-Mac, Sean Livingston, Jermaine O'Neal, Kobe, close-ups, Steve Nash, Zach Randolph. I totally don't remember. I do not remember Zach Randolph playing for the Clippers. All right, maybe it'll be some magic in these last 2 packs. If not, even though I didn't get a ruby that I wanted, I beat the odds by getting something like that. So I'm kind of not satisfied, but I guess I'm kind of content with that, because that's kind of, those aren't promised. Got a Ray Allen here, Devin Harris, Tayshaun Prince, Joe Johnson close-ups, Karolinko, Rashard Lewis. All right. Last pack. All right. Kobe base. All right. Rudy Gay. My metal rookie. It says 1 per box. And it's Danilo Gallinari. Come on, man. All right. Close-ups of Ben Wallace, Chris Bosh, and David Lee. All right, that's the box. Can I say I got my value back for the $200? No, I cannot. But, I got some decent stuff that I didn't have. So, here's what it is. Catch y'all on the flip side, man. Peace.